Late night unboxing. Just was on my front porch when I just got off of work. And I think I know what it is, but let's find out together. Okay. These are the new end links I ordered. On my car, when I lowered it, I put a sway bar in the front from a 96 SHO because their sway bars are solid. The one I had on my car was hollow. So the solid ones make your car handle better, but the end links was the wrong length. These are the proper end links. The top part bolts to the sway bar. The other part bolts to part of the strut. This is the left-hand side, I think. And this is the right-hand side. They're a little shorter. But the one I had was probably an inch too long. And with the proper end link, I'll be able actually to tie the struts together with the sway bar, improve the handling. But I won't be able to put this on yet until my new brake rotors and pads come in. So I'm still waiting on that. So I'll just put these to the side until those parts come in, and then I'll put them all together in one time. Until the next video, I'll see you.